Hi, this is Alex Plano with cproductreviews.com. Today I'm going over a website called Wix.com. It's a website that allows you to easily create a website for personal or business use. Even if you don't have any understanding of HTML or technical background, this is the website for you. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to go through creating a website in literally minutes, and you'll see how easy it is. So when you go to Wix.com, you'll have to create an account just by entering your email address and password. And once you do that, you'll be going to a page called Welcome to Wix, as you see here. So I'm going to create a personal page, resume and cover letter, which applies to most people, and click Go. The next page you'll see is a template page where you choose the template that you want. And Wix offers a large selection of nicely designed professional templates. And you just go on to the next page. But before I go into the templates, I want to go over this little area called Type HTML5 in Flash. The default is HTML5, and this is what I recommend. You can create a Flash website, but if you want your website to be seen in search engines, HTML5 is the way to go. Flash is not very SEO friendly, plus Flash does not show up on iPads, which more and more users are using these days. So I'm just going to choose this template here, and you have a couple of options. You can view it or edit. I'm going to view it because I want to see it in full view before I choose it. Okay, looks good. So I'm going to choose this template, and all I have to do is click Edit this site, and we're going into the Wix HTML editor, and this will allow us to change images, change text, change the background color, add pages, and to change text, all you have to do is click on the actual text, and this little white box comes up. You can click Edit Text and highlight the text and start typing. I'll just put hi, and to set it, all you have to do is just click outside of the box. I like to click in this far area in the white here, and it's set. Let's go ahead and change this right here as well. I'm available to work. Click here to set it. You can go ahead and change all this text here. Text right there. Close that out. And then you're going to probably want to change this image because most likely this is not you. And to change this image, all you have to do is click on the image and select Change Image. You'll see two tabs here, My Images and Images. My Images is images that you have that you would like to import into the system. So for example, you can import images from your pictures. There's also the Images tab where it's a library of images already included with Wix.com. So let's say this is a picture of you. Just click OK, and the picture is in the actual box here. But the problem is the image is being cut off at the top here. It's cutting her head off. So to extend that, all you have to do is click on this little icon at the bottom here with a little arrow pointing down, and just click and drag it. And right there. And as you can see, when you do that, you click and drag, you notice that all the elements below it will move accordingly. Let's put it there, and to set it, click to the side. There's the image. Okay, I'm going to go over these 4 editing buttons here. And these buttons are not going to show up on your web page. So we have Pages, Design, Add, and Settings. Pages, we can go into pages that are already existing. So if you click on like Projects, you go into the Projects page, as you can see here. You can go in here and start changing text, and you can even move the text if you don't like it at position. Go in and change that image, and you can also create new pages by clicking on this Add Page link, and you can create a blank page or you can create a subpage under the current categories. And if you click through the subpages, you'll see different layouts, as you can see to the right. Close that. The next button here is design. We can go in and change the background color if you like. As you can see here, there's already some options to choose from. We'll click on that, and as you can see, the background here changed. I'm going to discard that. You can also change, let's say you don't like the fonts, you can go in there and change the fonts as well. Okay, the next button is the add. We can add like additional buttons, a shopping cart for the e-commerce site. I'm going to go in and create a social element, a social button, and let's create a Twitter follow. Click on that. As you can see, the Twitter button shows up right here, and we can actually move this anywhere we like. So I'll put it right there and deselect by clicking to the side. Pretty easy. And then we have the settings button here where you can see your site address, and it's going to be a subdomain. So what a subdomain is going to be like yourname.wix.com. And if you want to have your own domain name that's outside of the free package, you're going to have to pay a monthly subscription. And then also in the settings, I want to bring this to your attention, there's also the SEO option, which I recommend using. And all you have to do, close that, it's asking me save, we'll save later. For the SEO, you enter a title, description, and keywords, and this will allow the search engines to know what your page is, so you can rank it accordingly. And then there's also statistics, like Google Analytics, but it's asking you to upgrade if you want to use that. That's one of their upsells. But let's say I made all my changes, I like my page. You can go ahead and preview the page and see how it would look live. So you just click on that preview button I just clicked on, and then you can actually use the navigation buttons on the top and see if everything looks good. Just like that. And then when you're happy, you just click back to editor, and then I just save it. Make sure you save it. I'm just going to put test for now. Save. Now it's saving into the HTML editor. There should be a publish your site now button, and you just click the publish your site now. Your site, and click this, allow search engines to find my site. And I got to enter the site title, site description, and keywords because I didn't enter that earlier. Once you do that, your site is good to go. It's live and ready for people to see. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you take care.